Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA tools. Top 31 best robotic process automation software on the market, Part 9. Nintex RPA. Nintex is a user-friendly, intelligent RPA platform with strong workflow automation capabilities. Some of the big highlights of the tool include process mining and discovery, process management, and intelligent forms. The software also comes with workflow templates that offer out-of-the-box solutions. Implementation is fairly simple, and Nintex's easy-to-use interface is a major plus point of the tool. Cyclone RPA by Cyclone Robotics. Cyclone RPA is a Chinese-based company that is growing in popularity. It was named as a challenger in the Gartner Magic Quadrant and has been lauded by Forrester. Some of the big highlights here are end-to-end process automation capabilities and a solid optical character recognition (OCR) tool that enables unstructured data processing. ZAPTEST Enterprise. ZAPTEST offers a fantastic free version. Our 2-in-1 Enterprise enables any task automation for any UI and API technology for testing and RPA implementation. Some of the best features of ZAPTEST's RPA software solution include OneScript technology, which helps to create automation across different platforms, API, and devices without the need of rewriting scripts for each of these platforms. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.